Hey guys, welcome back to Future Homesteader. In today's video, we are going to be oil changing this. So let's get to it. All right, there we go. Let's lower this thing down slowly. All right, there we go. Now it's just going out, and then I've got those to refill it. I think I'm gonna need to buy some more. And also, at the store, I guess I didn't look close enough in about 5W30. Also, some notes. This thing has bad rings and blow by. So, also, I wanted to know, do you guys, when you're oil changing, put some oil in when you have the plug out, because then it gets more bad oil out, I think. All right, so guys, it's oil. It wasn't pointed at me. I know I probably got you guys with that one. It's just such a good reflection, you know, when it's black, and it just shows your reflection. So it was time to change it. Anyways, now let's put some oil in it. Oh, yeah. All right, this is getting me jacked up. So I heard for push mowers that you want to do at least 5 times less oil than it says. Yeah, totally. It'll total your push mower. Wait, what? So as I'm sure all of y'all know, if you have 5W30 and 10W40, it increases it by double, so you don't need to do as much oil. That's what I heard from Mr. Cool Johnny. So, yeah. Honestly, Mr. Cool Johnny, he taught me some stuff. And I don't know, but a lot of this stuff hasn't been working. Let's see if we can get this into that trash can. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no way! How did I just get that? That's insane. Tricks. All right, I think we're good on oil, which is awesome, because I thought that I might have to buy some more, so that's great. Now, let's start. Woo-hoo! Let's go! I was trying to show y'all the self-propelled, but it's hard holding a GoPro pulling on this and everything. Anyways, this is a really low battery. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.